been out, bro?
Chilling, Papa, working, man. You know what it is.
Where you got this shit from?
Huh?
Where you got this shit from?
Auction, man.
Auction?
Yeah. Factory unlocked. Ready? No, these. And then I brought you some more victims. I don't know, man. S21, S20 plus.
Oh, you always got all the
8,
Samsungs, bro.
iPhone 11. No, I got you, man. You know, trying to look out. You keep making
You
business.
try to motherfucking make money, bro.
Of course, G. What else we out here doing? I'm not trying to do nothing bad. You gotta do good. You know what I'm saying? Earn your money. Yeah. Flip the phone and earn money.
What you doing that to, bro?
Oh, I told you I had a baby, man.
You got a baby.
Fucking. Yeah, bro. Let me tell you, diapers and shit and milk ain't cheap, man.
That's your first one?
Yeah, man. That shit's not easy, man. I would have stayed stuck on these things.
What?
I would have held on to them, you know? Maximize the price, bro, but, you know? I bring it to you, you know? No tie, I gotta pay a bill. I'm like, fuck it, man. I need to solve this issue. Fuck it. It's pretty clean.
12, it's like a 10.
Look at the battery percentage on that. So that one too. Battery percentage too.
That one 83. You should blacklight it. Guaranteed.
100%.
100%.
100%. I'll be honest with you. One thing is only.
What?
Alright, so you see how here it says.
Oh, they changed it?
Yeah, but at the Apple Store.
Damn, they
Apple Store.
what you call it that shit now?
Yeah, they're doing it. They're doing that.
Damn, they could dog the
And
back.
They removed it. They don't.
Oh, they trying to make this shit hard, bruh.
This was done by the Apple Store.
But I'm saying though, like now this shit would say somebody replace the back now.
Well, if you do it our way, that we just cut the glass,
yeah,
it won't say it. But if you go to Apple Store, yeah.
Oh,
what they do is
okay.
They change the whole frame.
Oh, that's why. Oh, I'm about to say.
You know, I'm honest with you about everything. I don't like to.
You know, that's whatever.
I don't like to do dirty
business. That shit. Bro, you already know. I'm clean that shit for a minute. But nah, I just thought it was like you change the back. It's saying that shit.
No.
I'm about to say, what the fuck?
No, you change it, it won't say it. No. But since these guys, the guy bought it from, he decided to go to the Apple Store. He went, you know, kind of.
Bro, I was about to say, bro.
But it's still crispy though. It's crispy.
It's good.
Yeah, I think that's the. That's the 12, 18 too.
This shit blacklisted?
Negative. Clean. The only thing is that this here in the top, the speaker, I don't know if it's dirty or what's going on, but it hears a little low. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that shit, whatever.
That's why I'm giving it to you hella low, you know. Original display, original everything. I didn't check the battery though.
So the battery probably like 80 something. Yeah.
It's still not bad. 85. I just don't buy them if it's less than 80, man. I try to stay away from that shit, man.
I can't take no L's on phones right now, bro. I'm taking L's and shit.
No, I'm not trying to. That's why I tell you straight up, you know. Mm-hmm. I'm not trying to. I don't want you to take no L's, man. That's not the point here, bro. That's not the point. You selling now? You selling on eBay still?
Bro, I got banned on eBay, bro.
Completely?
Yeah, bro. I can't even sell that shit anymore.
That happened to Oscar too.
Yeah. Man, this motherfucker, man.
No, they banned him for and they didn't want to release. He had
funds and shit.
He had like $48,000 in the account. And you know what he started doing? Selling watches.
Like that?
Watches.
Oh no.
On eBay, bro.
Oh no.
And he got scammed by some guy with an AP. Bullshit, man.
That's kind of how that shit happened.
And now he got fucked. eBay's even asking for proof of where you bought it.
I know. That's what they did with me.
He's going through a big problem, man.
That's what they did for me, bro.
11, I can do 340. Too high, right? Thing is, look at this. Look at the battery. It's clutch,
yeah, but
man.
340, bro. That shit is too high, bro. I can't get no better with that shit. That's like
320, man.
Nah, I'll be sitting on this shit for a while.
How much you think?
I won't buy it, bro. Shit won't make no sense to. Cause even if I buy it, just say I buy it, even if I buy it for like 3 B's. It's gonna be hard to sell that shit, bro. It's gonna be hard to sell it. It's
alright, we'll hold on that one.
It's clean though.
It's all good.
Just that scratch right there. Other than that, no. But this,
Gotcha.
I don't want it.
Alright, fuck it, then don't get it. Don't get it.
Just donate it to
You don't want it,
the
don't get
charity.
it. Fuck it. Nah,
Donate it to the charity.
I wish.
Oh, let me ask you though, how much you bought this shit for?
I'm taking the L, dog.
You taking the L? Why you selling
190.
it? You bought it for so bro.
Taking $90 loss.
So bro.
Fuck it, cause I'm making it on the other one, so it's straight, dog. That's the
dog.
way I look at it. Fuck it, dog.
But this not on lock though.
You check the IMEI?
It say clean, but they don't say on.
So I don't know if it's Verizon or T-Mobile, man.
So sad, bro.
I don't know, it's up to you, dog. I give you the price you told me, man. I mean, what else do you want me to do? You know what I'm saying? Like, you asking me for that price, I gave you the deal you asking me for. I gave it to you. Fuck it, dog. The rest is on you. You know what I mean? It's T-Mobile or Verizon, I don't know. That's on you. Cause my system is down. I can't even check it. You know what I'm saying?
You can't see if it's on lock.
I can't even check it, bro. And Verizon's used to come unlocked. See what I mean? This is an old phone. You might get lucky, dog. But that's on you, man. I don't know. Damn, my G, let me see something cool with a 7 Plus. Let me see. I don't keep the 7 Plus. Straight?
What?
Yeah, they don't keep it, dog. I don't keep the 7. I'll let you get those. So, and you take this. You know what I'm saying?
Bruh, what you mean?
But the 7 Plus, I think I'm gonna give it to my little niece, dog. Yeah, it's her birthday, dog. And I got this shit headed low, dog.
Why you, I'm saying, why you trying? I already got the bread.
Dog. This
what you mean?
Why you get some money, man? Rabbit got some money.
No, but this what you call this 1080, bro.
Rabbit got the money stashed. Which one?
I'm saying, bro, this is the exact fund except with the $10 for the thing. I was gonna cash up it to you. This is the exact.
Let me keep this one, dog. It's for my little niece. I want to see if I get this as a gift, dog.
She don't need no phone.
Yeah. It's a little 7 Plus, bro. She just turned 11, dog.
Give her the iPhone 8. That's too big for her pants, bro.
I got those sold already. I got those sold, my G. Yeah. I can't sell this one, my brother. Can't. I'm gonna move it up, dog.
Yeah, man.
But let's just take off that one.
Should take it out then, bro.
So what we got here then? We got.
I don't know. We got
$390. Damn, I'm losing on that shit.
See, bro, you not going with the deal, bro. I gotta get it for $380. You gotta get this shit for $380, bro. I mean,
this is what we got, right?
How we got $1120?
All right. So look, check me out. Follow me here. Right? 460. 180. And 100 for the.
I don't even want to buy this, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. You're gonna have to keep that.
Yeah? Sure?
Yeah, I don't even want to buy that, bro. I can't really. That's why I didn't even really get
not even
no,
$90.
But you,
$80.
I'm gonna just be sitting. I'm gonna really just be sitting on that shit, bro.
Take it back. Fuck.
Damn, but you can't let me get the 7 Plus.
Damn, my G's. I got somebody for the low one. Damn.
What?
But I don't want to give her an 8, man, because I know I'm.
I mean, bro, you are. Yeah, when we talked about it, you was like, I gave you the price, and then you was like, I'm gonna give you all of them. Just give me the $390. I said, all right, cool. I told you, but it's $1080, and I'm gonna have to cash up you to what you go. But it's straight, man. I ain't
You got cash, all of it?
No, I got cash, all of it. What
you got to cash at me?
I mean,
you got the cash?
If you want your, I'm saying, if you want what $7, bro, then. Well, like $6. You want me to cash up you $6? But this is
just keep that shit, man.
Is it keep it?
Yeah, I keep it, bro. My bad, G. I just keep it.
What keep what?
I'll keep that one.
Which one?
7 Plus. Yeah.
Why?
My bad, G. My bad, dog.
Why?
Nah, that one I'm letting it go too low, dog. Just
how?
It's too low.
That's how much shit's go for.
I paid much more, bro.
How much? So I'm saying how much
more, dog. I'm taking 20 L's, you know? I can't, dog. I can't. Just the 13, I'm losing $110.
Why you losing $120, bro?
But I'm winning it on the 12 Pro Max. You know
what I'm saying though. How much you finna sell? How much you finna sell iPhone 7 Plus for?
7 Plus, honestly.
Yeah. How much you finna sell?
Honestly, I could probably sell it for like 120.
You can probably sell it.
No, I can sell it for 120.
All right, bro. So let's do the math, man.
I know you can give me that, man.
Nah, bro, I gotta make some bread.
Exactly.
You trying to give me the phone, bro? You wanna give me a Samsung? This shit don't move.
Solamente me queda dos, negro.
Come on, bro. 80, bro. We gonna do 80? Bro, why you? What?
I need a 5.
Bro, I'm gonna get 80. I'm gonna get 80.
Nah, I need 85.
Bro.
I need a 5, serious, dog.
All right, bro. All right.
I got a baby, dog. I'm telling you, dog. I'm serious, bro. Dog, you know I'm not gonna lie to you, dog. You know I ain't gonna lie to you.
What? I'm asking, what's $5? Oh, here.
$5 is extra when you buy milk. That costs $30 the bottle.
Bro, you about to carry me about $5, man?
$30 the bottle.
You about to keep me about $5?
Yeah, G. I'm serious, man. I guess I'm tight.
Damn, dog. It's all
tight,
good.
man.
I ain't gonna worry about it.
It's good though, bro. Look.
This man trying to kill me, man. He done went up on $25. He done went up on $25.
This shit hard out here, man.
It ain't hard, bro. It's only hard because you making it hard.
Because of the baby, man. You feel me?
You should learn how to pull out.
Yeah, I'm fucking trying to
Should have learned how to pull out, man.
Now, man. I ain't trying to have no baby for like nothing. Just one, that's it, man.
All right, though, man.
Yeah, happy? You got it.
I don't know, man.
You got it. You winning, dog. You winning today.
All right, man. I'll holler at you, man.
We'll stay in contact.
That's the thing about these motherfuckers who be trying to sell me phones, but they be trying to fucking... Like, damn, bro. Like, we agreed on $60, bro. I guess because I ain't want to buy the other phone, he want to try to... I don't want to buy that shit and just sit with it. What you want me to do? Sit with a phone and, like, don't make it move? Like, bro, listen. Samsungs don't move like that. Like, they do, but since I got banned on eBay, so it's like, I got to find another way to move the phones, how I used to move the phones, because I used to sell a lot of phones on eBay through Samsung. Like, all right, so look, it's like this, right? When you try to sell iPhones and Samsungs work better on eBay. I can't even lie, because through the markets in the streets, people don't really fuck with Samsungs like that. Apple is stronger, but it's still a market for Samsungs though. You just got to get to the right people. And I don't really feel like dealing with that shit. It's just online you can reach more people, bro. So that's why, even though sometimes you got to go through fees and everything like that, it doesn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, bro. So yeah, I've been gone for a while, man, but I just want to, you know, do a little, a little transaction video, I guess. I got some new type of videos about to drop soon. I'm just trying to get my mind to, you know, go to them and shit like that. So yeah.